If you've already got sharp knives, even beaters like this one, and you're worried about cutting yourself, score one of these stainless steel butchering gloves, and basically you just put your hand in, lefty or righty. There is a very heavy there's a very heavy snap on the back of it, and you can snap it in place so it doesn't come off your hand. It's fully adjustable. Okay, and once it's pick up your knife any way you want to, and you're not going to cut yourself with this glove on. Pretty cool. So it works the same when you're cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing, whatever you're doing, you're not going to cut through these rings. Cool. Comes in many different sizes. It's made to be loose fitting. Again, it's in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. That's the chainmail glove. Small individual circles of stainless steel welded together one by one. In stock at your sponsor,